White cat and kitten looking at architectural blueprints. White cat standing
overlooks
proudly
the construction
of a new building. A cute kitten plays with toy bulldozers at construction site. A cute kitten plays claps excitedly in a construction vehicle. Swarm of ants disturbed by the construction lifting the soil. White cat looking surprised sees giants surrounding the vehicle. White kitten running away in fear. Excavator chases from behind. White kitten running away from a construction with a worried expression. White kitten running away from a construction site expression. White cat crying with conscious kitten at construction site. A father cat running, holding his injured kitten in his arms. The daddy cat arrives at the hospital with his injured kitten. A white cat crying in a hospital room, pleading with clasped hands.
Okay.
A cute kitten on a hospital bed receiving a blood transfusion. 3 months later, a daddy cat presents house gesturing and showing the property. Daddy cat and kitten smiling happily. A resident